The Trink Static and Dust Preventive System eliminates your problems. Check out the results you get from this innovative system. The Trink system prevents dust particles from attaching to work pieces, even with large quantities of dust in the air. Firms already using the Trink system are reporting amazing results. A major plasma display manufacturer reported that dust-related defects were reduced by 75%. Automakers reported defects down by 67%. Copy machine manufacturers reported defects cut by 100%. The secret behind this success lies in the Trink system. Static electrical charges cause defects by attracting dust that destroys electronic components. Why is it your system's countermeasures aren't working? The problem lies in your ionizer system. First, let's talk about ionizer systems using compressed air such as via air gun or bar-type ionizers. Ordinary systems tend to break down a lot since they use high voltage along with compressed air that causes moisture and electrical leakage due to adiabatic expansion. The same thing happens on ordinary bar-type ionizers. So instead of ionizing the static charges, these actually generate problem-causing dust particles. The Trink system, however, isolates the air and high-voltage sections. This means no moisture gets into the high-voltage section, even if condensation occurs. So there is nothing to cause electrical leaks and equipment breakdowns are eliminated. The Trink ionizer has proven highly reliable and its service life is 100 times higher than ordinary equipment. This is the Trink No-Leak Ionizing System. We call it the No-Leak Trink. Next, let's talk about ionizing systems that use an air blow, such as fan types. These types rely on air to blow and carry the ions, but the air blow causes problems. When this air blow occurs in localized sections, it disrupts the laminar airflow and causes a turbulent airflow that creates dust particles. This does nothing but spray the dust on the workpiece in turn. To cope with this, Trink has eliminated the wind from the ionizer. It does this by using a unique ionizing system called direct current. This unique direct current system makes use of the power of the Coulomb's repulsion to make the ions repel each other and diffuse effectively. The Trink system doesn't need an outside force such as air blow, so there is nothing to disturb the laminar flow and cause unwanted dust particles to circulate. The ions also travel more than 10 times farther than the conventional. The Trink system greatly expands the effective ionizing space to a wide area since the ionizing range is excellent, even without air blow. This is the Trink non-air blow structure. We call it the No-Wind Trink. Trink has applied this new technology to create a system that ionizes an entire spatial area. We call this system the static-free space Trink. In ordinary systems, ionizing the free-floating dust within a space is nearly impossible. That statically charged dust is attracted to the statically charged workpiece and adheres to it. Static-free space Trink, however, ionizes everything within the entire space, including dust and the statically charged dust in the air. The dust particles no longer hold a charge, and so cannot adhere to the workpiece. The static-free space Trink allows you to ionize wide areas with just a few units. Expand the ionized space to an unlimited area by combining units as needed to cover the required space. In conventional clean rooms, the effective ionizing area of one ionizer unit is small and narrow, so many ionizer units must be mounted right above the workpiece. where it is most likely to be directly affected by dust particles. However, the no-wind trink and static-free space trink instantly eliminate these problems that have long proven a constant nuisance to clean rooms and clean benches. The trink system expands the effective ionizing space in the clean room, so the ionizer can be mounted at a position away from the workpieces to maintain a completely clean environment in the room. Trink also eliminates the problem of ion imbalance, which is a critical problem in the semiconductor field. In pulse ionizers, the ion imbalance within a space may reach plus or minus 500 volts, which is a hazardous environment for semiconductors. In AC-type ionizers, on the other hand, a 60 Hz pulse occurs, so the ion imbalance may reach plus or minus 13 volts. The Trink system, however, utilizes the unique DC method to limit the ion imbalance to plus or minus 3 volts. This ensures a safe and problem-free environment when handling precision semiconductors and devices. Trink delivers the final answer to your electrostatic charge problems. These answers come as the following unique concepts: no-wind trink, static-free space trink, no-leak trink, dust-proof trink that offer complete and effective electrostatic and dust prevention. Always happy to serve you. Consult us for the answer to your ESD problems. Please contact